So I've done a lot of videos with a lot of different people in town, like John Walkup, Ottawa, stuff like that. And during these shoots, I meet a lot of different people with each new shoot, and a lot of them have different talents, skills, stuff like that they bring to the table. But there's this one guy I met named Adrian, and he demonstrated his voice acting for us because that's what he wants to go into at one of the shoots we were at. And I was just like blown away. I was like, man, you got to do a career out of this. You've got like a one in a million voice type thing, you know? So I wrote up some really stereotypical like movie trailer script things, and I had him record him doing his movie trailer voice with it. And so this is what it sounds like. And this is not edited. This is not equalized. This is not in any way, shape, or form anything different than what you would hear if you were in real life hearing him do this voice. Completely unedited. So here it is.
He was born into royalty, destined to rule over a kingdom, but jealousy was more powerful than destiny. He was betrayed by another, sent into exile far from what was rightfully his. Lost and alone, he must race against time to find a solution to become who he was destined to be. And he won't stop with just his kingdom. He's out to rule the world. 10,000 years ago, an immortal warrior roamed the earth. After thousands of deadly battles, he was captured and frozen, never to awaken again, until now. Out for revenge on the descendants of those who locked him away in his prison of ice, the immortal warrior is unstoppable. But things have changed in 10,000 years. Science has created the perfect antibody for the ancient warrior, another immortal. His mission, save the descendants. His chances, slim to none. This summer he has but one purpose, kill that which cannot be killed, the immortal warrior.
So yeah, like I said, that's pretty damn crazy, especially considering his normal voice, which sounds something like this.
My name's Adrian Cyprian from Modesto, California. I'm 15 years old, and
This voice is completely real. It's not your imagination. I can actually do this.
And so, yeah, if you want him to do voice acting work for your trailer, for your video game, for your movie, for whatever, his YouTube is right here. If you just click on this, you can go directly to it if you have annotations turned on. And if you don't, then the link is in the info, so you can click there too. But, I mean, I recommend you hire him. I mean, he's got an epic as hell voice, so it's like, what the hell? And, yeah, I mean, more commentary videos are coming up after this. And more of those like real life story things that you guys like, more of those are coming up too. And that is the video.